go. Let's go.
Yo, killer, you like the camera? Look at this. I have this stick here is a battery, and it's just I wired the wire around and then plugged it in. So now my GoPro is charging full time. Brick. Finished eating, but I gotta go drop my sister. I put her off at her friend's house, so be back in a bit. I'm back. Gotta clean up this area. Gotta put you up here, and we gotta clean your cage, okay? Getting her new water, get her new spilled out. A lot of poopers. I don't think you guys want to see that. No, they just clip on. She's good to go. Hey, Ruby. How are you? Hey, Chip. Sorry, forgot you're scared of the camera. It's okay.
Tell me when you're full. Sheesh. And 7 hearts. Look how much hearts I have.
That's probably gonna be it for the video. I just gotta keep posting every day. I can get into the YouTube algorithm and stuff like that. Well, like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, comment down below what I should do.
Ow.
Oh, one thing is I'm editing this video on my phone so I can actually format it into 4K because my computer can't handle it. My phone can. So you guys will be seeing a 4K video. So that's gonna be good. But yeah.